Now it works. Here we have factorization of polynomials. So I will show you actually 4 types of factorization of polynomials that you have studied in 2A. Alright, before we move to 3A content. So here is 3x square plus 12xy. So in order to factorize this, our first task is to look for any common factor. As you see, you have 3 and 12. The numbers are 3 and 12, which we call coefficient. You have x square and x in the second term. This means 3x is a common factor. When you take out 3x, you are left with x in the first term plus 3 times 4 is 12. X is already taken out as common, so you don't need to write x again. So y is left. This is done, this much only. So if there are any common factors, we have to take out common factors. You can even check this by following reverse process. The reverse process is 3x times x, 3x square plus 3x times 4y, 3 times 4 is 12, xy. So this is called expansion. This reverse process and checking our answer, this is called expansion. So if you are given this question 3x, x plus 4y, you might have learned this in 1B, 1A level. This is called expand. The question is expand. Now you multiply them one by one. While here you have an expression, and from the terms, how many terms given there, you will be taking out the common factors. Now we have second question. Here you get 4 terms, kx minus 2x plus ky minus 2y. Okay, let me take out the common from this first pair and the second pair, and let me see whether it is possible or not. If I take out the common from here, I will take out x as common, so k minus 2 plus here I take out y as common, and we are left with k minus 2, right? So we have k minus 2 and k minus 2, so k minus 2 is another common factor. So for the first term we have x left there, and from the second term we have y. So it is also possible that if you cannot take out common from this first pair, you may group the terms. You may not only groups, you may rearrange the terms. For example, you may bring this term over here and this term over here, maybe, perhaps, when it is not possible. But here, usually, generally, in 2A, what you learned, you have 4 terms given like this. So you will be regrouping in the sense that from the first pair, you look for the common factor, and then similarly, from the second pair of the terms, you will look for the common factor. And then you have 2 terms, like here x and k minus 2 separated by this plus. So if you look at these 2 terms, you see that k minus 2 is the common factor that you have taken out. After you take out k minus 2 as common factor, here you are left with x, and here from the second term you are left with y. Sign is plus. Now this is the next question. We have to factorize a square minus 25, and it is a different kind of question. You don't have any common between these two, but you can express this as a square minus 5 square, and there is a formula in algebra, that is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. A plus b, a minus b, these two are factors, so a square minus b square equals a plus b, a minus b, this way. So if you just apply this formula a square minus b square, then you can write this as a plus b, a minus b. This is a and 5 is b. So now it is done. Factors. A square minus 25, its factors are a plus b, a minus b. Here I have written another question, 9x square minus 1. This also follows the same process. Here it is a little bit different. Here we have to put 3x in the brackets, not only 3, not only x, 3x in the bracket like this, 3x square minus 1 square. So a plus b, that is 3x plus 1, a minus b, that is 3x minus 1. Now we get two factors, like this 3x plus 1 and 3x minus 1 for this 9x square minus 1. Now here comes another kind of question, x square plus 8x plus 16. Now it's different from whatever we have previously done. Here there is one more formula in algebra, that is a plus b whole square equals a square plus 2ab plus b square. Remember, a plus b whole square means a plus b in the brackets like this, a plus b in the brackets, a plus b times a plus b, and this is these are the factors, and this a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is the expansion of this a plus b whole square. If that is negative, a minus b whole square, it is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So for this question, what we do is we compare this x square plus 8x plus 16 with a square plus 2ab plus b square. In other words, we write this is this x square, we compare it with a square. This 8x we write in the form of 2ab, and 16 we will be writing that in the form of b square. Okay, so x square is x square plus, I'll write nothing for this middle term, plus 16 is 4 square, right? Now we have 2ab here. According to the formula, we have 2ab, so 2 is 2 times a means this first term x times b means this term, the third term, that is 4. So now it is a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? This can be written as a plus b whole square. So a is x plus b is 4 whole square, x plus y whole square. Now it is done. And x plus 4 whole square means x plus 4 in the brackets times x plus 4. These are the factors. Now we have another question with this negative. So we will be writing this in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. So here is 4y square. This can be written as 2y whole square, right, plus, let's not write anything for 2ab. Here we have 25x square. This can be written as 5x whole square, right? Now in the middle, minus 2ab. Now it becomes easy. 2 is 2 from the formula. A means 5x, 2ab, b means 2y. It's quite easy now. A square minus 2ab plus b square. So this is a minus b whole square. It's done. 5x minus 2y whole square. That means 5x minus 2y in the brackets times 5x minus 2y in the brackets. After revising this, what you learned in 2a, we will move to the new type of factorization that you have to learn in 3a.